Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about how to grow a YouTube channel. Okay, so these are some piece of advice from a 5-year experienced YouTuber giving you starting a YouTube channel. Okay, so to be honest, I have no idea why I want to make this video, because my channel is mainly about Filmora, teaching people how to edit their video, making video, improve their editing skill with Filmora. But I think this is a good topic and we should talk about it, because many people watching my video here on my YouTube channel also want to become a YouTuber. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you 5 personal tips on how to start a YouTube channel in 2023. Hopefully it is helpful for you. Okay, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jacky. I'm from Vietnam and I've been making YouTube video for about 5 years on this channel, and also I have a Vietnamese channel growing from 0 to 30,000 subscribers within 1 year or 2 years or stuff like that. So it is not a short time. Okay, so maybe I have some experience making YouTube video and growing here on YouTube, and I also teach other people here in Vietnam on how to grow their YouTube channel and find a niche, and also edit video using Filmora and so many stuff, and also how to apply for monetization program for the audience here in Vietnam. Okay, so hopefully my tips are helpful for you. Hope so. So actually I written down my advice here on this notebook. Okay, so the first tip is to learn YouTube. Yes, let me explain. First thing, if you want to make video for a platform like YouTube, TikTok or Facebook or anything like that, you have to learn Okay, so tips number 1, which is very important for me in my opinion, that is learn YouTube. It is important to learn about copyright issue and community guidelines, and also some other stuff related to making YouTube video, like how to create a title, how to create a thumbnails, and also how to write the description, and also how to set up your YouTube channel. It is very important to learn these things before making a YouTube video. Otherwise you will have many trouble, many issues. When you publish your video may get a copyright claims and maybe a strike and stuff like that, and if you get 3 strikes, your YouTube channel will be deleted. Okay, so that is my first tip. Okay, so that is my first tip if you want to grow a YouTube channel or become a YouTuber. Let's come to tip number 2, is to find a niche that you're really passionate about, you know best, or you want to learn. It is very important, because if you don't know anything, you just put a random video about random content, it is horrible. Okay, so you have to find a thing that you really want to make video about, find a niche that you want to share your knowledge and make video about. Okay, so that is the second tips for you, because if you don't like the content you are creating, or if you don't like the kind of video you are creating, it is important for your channel also. When you create video, YouTube will recognize your video and your content and stuff like that. So if you just make random video about different things, it is very difficult for YouTube to recognize your video. It will suggest your video or your channel to other people. Okay, so that is a simple reason for finding a niche and focus on making video on that niche. But what if you have 2 niche, 3 niche or 4 niche or stuff like that? You have many things to share with your audience. Then my advice is that you start with the first one, and after growing your YouTube channel and when you have time and you learn about editing video, stuff like that, and then you can start making video about other niche or enlarging your content. Okay, so that is tip number 2. And tip number 3 is to start making video. It is very important. If you just learn from YouTube and learn how to make video, how to edit video, and learn how to film without making video yourself, you will not know the issue or the problem you will face when making video. Okay, so my advice is that you want to start making video, you want to start filming and writing script, and also after filming you have to start editing and uploading your first video on YouTube. And believe me, maybe 10 video or 20 video will be horrible, will be terrible. It is the same in my case. So there's nothing right or wrong about making video. I think it is very simple. All you need to do is to find the equipment for filming and also find a video editing software to create your first video. It depends on the type of content you want to make. Okay, so it's important to learn the software also. And if you want to find a good video editing software, I would suggest Filmora 12 because it is very easy to use and also has many things that you can use to create your first video. I will put the link in the description for you. Okay, and tip number 4 is be patient. It is very important. So you know that when you first start your YouTube channel is like an empty online library. So there's no book inside, no material, nothing inside. You have to fill up your library with many books and many titles so that YouTube will have the material that they can suggest to other people. Okay, so it is very important to be patient. Just build your content, make video and upload it maybe once a day or once a week. It's up to you, and it depends on the type of content you are creating. Okay, do not watch other bigger YouTuber and see the number of views they get and also the number of subscribers they get and feel sad about the number of views you get and see your subscriber and or stuff like that. Okay, so just be patient. Okay, and my final tips for those of you who want to grow a YouTube channel is to find a perfect procedure for making video. It is very important for you that you learn editing video, learn about the process of making video, and you want to improve your procedure or improve the process of making video to save your time and effort or stuff like that, so that you can produce more content, produce more video for your YouTube channel, maybe for one channel and other channel, and maybe you can also produce video for other people also. All right, so these are all my tips for new YouTuber or beginner who want to grow a YouTube channel. I know that my English is not very good, but you can turn on the closed caption here on this video, and these are the tips that I learned along the way making YouTube video after 5 years or 6 years here on my channel, this channel and my Vietnamese channel. So hopefully it is helpful for you. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you want to learn more about YouTube, about video editing software or stuff like that, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.